Hello guys, welcome to the course of Level 8 API Development Tutorial. This is our part number 33. Inside this video, we will see migration settings. If I back to editor, so in the last video, we have migrated all the pending migrations what we have by default available inside this migrations folder. So also, we had discussed the scope of third phase of API development. So we need two different tables, that is first for user information and second course enrolled by users. So by default we have this users table. Only we need to add this phone number column inside our users table, because when we have migrated, this is the users table. So inside this table we don't have any column with the name called phone_number. So we need to add that column inside this table. Back to editor, go inside this migrations, open up this migration file, that is create_users, and inside this we need to add phone number column. So let's say that table string, the column name we have called phone_number, and let's say that the maximum length of this field equals to 20 character. So this is all about for the first table, that is users. Now next we need one more migration file for the courses table that will contain all these columns. Back to terminal, we will use artisan command to create migration file. So php artisan make migration create, let's say courses table. If I press enter, migration is creating. If I back to editor, go and reload this directory structure, and as you can see that migration created successfully. Now inside this courses table we need to add our columns what we want, like user ID. So back to editor, it's a table integer, and the column name is something user_ID, which is unsigned. Now the next column we want something table. Next we have a string, and the column name we have called the title. So if I copy, pasting it here, let's say the title of this enrolled course equals to 80 characters in length. Next we want table, let's say text, which is for the description, and let's say that it is nullable, means it will accept null values as well. And finally we have total videos, so which is integer, and the column name is something total_videos, and we don't want this timestamps value, so simply I will remove the last method what added inside this courses block. And one more thing, this is the way to create user ID, which is integer type and unsigned value. We have also the alternative way to create the same functionality as something table, and we have a method called unsigned integer, and inside this simply pass user ID. So these two lines means this commented line and this line will do exactly the same thing what we are doing with this line. So now inside this courses table, the columns we will have called ID, user ID, title, description, and total videos. Now let's migrate that. So if I back to terminal, let's say php artisan migrate, and one more thing, also we want to update this users table because we have added phone number column here. So right now there is no column phone number, so we need to update this table as well. So I will run php artisan migrate, and I will pass refresh as a flag. So pressing enter, this command firstly roll back all the tables and then create all the tables. Now if I back to database, first go inside this users table structure and as we can see that the phone number added. If you go inside this courses table, go to structure, and here we have the user ID, unsigned value, title, description, and total videos. So this is all about the section for migration settings. In the next video, we will see the concept of model settings. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.